Hi there, Progreda Pros. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in your Progreda, which is the funnels. Funnels are your ticket to capturing leads, engaging visitors, and converting them into loyal customers. And guess what? You don't have to be a tech wizard to create one. And I'm going to show you how to set up a funnel in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First things first, of course, log in to your Progreda. All right. There. And from here, click the funnels. So navigate to funnels and you see a big blue button here, create funnel button, new funnel. And this is where the magic begins. Go ahead and click it. Choose your funnel type. So it gives you three options for funnel creation, but don't worry, we're keeping it simple for this tutorial. So let's choose the pre-built funnel option. Why reinvent the wheel when you've got thousands of amazing templates at your fingertips, right? So click continue. Now, this is the fun part. You'll be greeted with a treasure trove of templates, hundreds and even thousands of them, so you can browse by category to find the perfect fit for your business. So let's say fitness membership. So this one is perfect for gyms. It introduces your services and allows visitors to sign up for membership. So once you've selected it, click continue and it will load your chosen template faster than you can say conversion rate. So yep. All right. Now that your template is loaded, it's time to make it your own. So this is where you can showcase your brand's personality and tailor the funnel to your business. So want to change the background? You can definitely do that by clicking here. It will allow you to change your background. So let's say this one, you just need to copy the link or you have the option to upload as well. And just paste the link here, then there you go. Easy, right? So you have the option here to fill 100%. And there you go. Also, perfect, right? So also you can add your logo here, there, and update the wording to sound like you. Absolutely. Progreda makes customization super intuitive. So you'll feel like a design pro in no time, right? So once everything looks exactly how you want it, your images, your text, your vibe, clicks publish. And here, Progreda will then prompt you to add your domain. So don't skip this test. Adding your domain ensures your funnel is live and ready to attract visitors. So once your domain is linked, click save and that's it. You have created and published your funnel like a true Progreda Pro. And there you have it, a fully customized funnel ready to turn visitors into customers and see how easy that was, right? So funnels are an incredible way to grow your business and Progreda makes the process seamless and stress-free. All right, if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also drop the comments below and I love to help. Until next time, happy funnel building everyone and may your conversions soar. Bye for now.